1 Minute Dutch, Lesson 7.
Hallo.
It's Mark and Fons here, your Dutch teachers, bringing you 1 Minute Dutch from the Radiolingua network. Each lesson of 1 Minute Dutch teaches you a few words and phrases in 60 seconds, or thereabouts. Last lesson, you learned to introduce yourself. In Lesson 7, you'll learn how to say it's nice to meet someone.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember how to say my name is?
I would say, mijn naam is Fons.
And when you meet someone, it's a good idea to say, it's nice to meet you. In Dutch, you would say,
Leuk je te ontmoeten.
now let's slow that down a little. Fons, can we hear it again, please?
Leuk je te ontmoeten.
Try saying this phrase again after Fons.
Leuk je te ontmoeten.
One more time at normal speed.
Leuk je te ontmoeten.
If you find this phrase a little too difficult, you can use this word instead.
Aangenaam.
It basically means the same thing. It's a pleasure to meet you. Try it again.
Aangenaam.
Try saying it one more time.
Aangenaam.
So maybe your new Dutch-speaking friend could help you with your Dutch. Listen to this phrase.
Kun je me met mijn Nederlands helpen?
Maybe you can work out what this means. Listen again.
Kun je me met mijn Nederlands helpen?
It means, can you help me with my Dutch? Try saying this after Fons. Fons, can you say this slowly, please?
Kun je me met mijn Nederlands helpen?
Now, splitting that up, you have, can you, me, with my Dutch, help?
Kun je me met mijn Nederlands helpen?
And one more time.
Kun je me met mijn Nederlands helpen?
Time's up, and once again, I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned this lesson will go down well with your Dutch-speaking friends or business colleagues. Try to listen again to this episode and practice the phrases that you've heard. And don't forget, you can find out more about learning Dutch at our website on oneminute-languages.com. That's all for today.
Dankjewel en tot ziens.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.